Hello, today I'm in Ford Focus. In this video I'll show you how to activate voice assistant. In the beginning, take a look at the screen display. In order to activate voice assistant, simply press this button, then follow commands located on the screen display. Find a POI.
By name or by category.
By category.
Say a category.
Fuel.
Say a category.
All filling stations.
Please choose.
Third one.
When ready, use the voice button and then say set as destination.
Set destination. Set destination.
I didn't understand that. Please say set as destination.
Set as destination.
I didn't understand that. Please say set as destination. You can also say help.
Start.
Setting as destination.
If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.